you're on super for a week.
No, I'm actually a completely different person, bruh. Check my account. It's a different...
Recognize your... It's not working. It's not working. You're not convincing me.
No. Check my account, dude. It's... yeah, it's definitely not the account you're talking about.
Super viral, popular video, right?
His original name was Purple Gamer.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you don't know who you're talking about.
I don't know who the fuck this guy is.
Bro, G-Elias is here? Holy crap. I thought G-Elias was, like, gone to time.
Yeah, elves, should totally not be enslaved.
And me.
Yeah.
Ah, the Go F Yourself house. Classique.
Debate me, Palestine is not real, and I stand with Israel.
Do you have a fart fetish? Go F yourself.
Got some hot topics like that store called Hot Topic.
Call me Super HUD Boy.
Super HUD Boy.
Yo, Super HUD Boy.
See, this is all I'm gonna be known for now.
Yeah, I saw that video and no one knew it was Super.
I'm gonna make shit for myself to be known for too.
Well, that's all the new gens will know me for, but the real ones will stay true.
Yeah, guys, I'm totally a new gen. I have no idea who Dr. Zombie is, guys. I'm totally
drawing
a new
myself
gen.
as a fucking biggery.
You're a
I'm totally a new gen. I'm totally not someone else.
Something funny about your profile picture is when it's compressed to the small image of the voice chat, the 3 hairs look like 1 hair, so it looks like a guy with a unicorn horn. But then whenever I look at your profile, I can see that he has 3 hairs sticking up.
Wait a minute, that's not a unicorn horn?
Yeah, I know, but I'm fucking changing him because this dumbass
is not a unicorn horn? What?
But someone said it looked like normal, and I thought so too.
Yeah, it does.
I'm putting this fucker on the artwork so that it's never forgotten. Because I'm currently drawing myself.
Yo guys, it's me, Charlie Kirk, counting
right
or not counting gang violence?
Spec says I need to become Jake Paul and film a dead body.
I stand with Israel.
What do you think about this?
I'm gonna own these woke liberals.
Pink Gamer.
I'm gonna...
Pink Gamer.
Got a fucking Pink Gamer in my neighborhood.
What?
Pink Gamer. Leave some air for us to breathe, please.
No. I'm the yapperest yapper ever.
You really are, dude. I don't wanna mute you, but I can't hear anything that anybody else is saying because you yap
Okay.
Bikes gets the blue roll.
The yapidus.
No, I'm not playing on my phone. I'm taking care of business. I'm not studying what you're talking about.
Zombie is a YouTuber.
Dr. Zombie, did you see that Bart the Simpson, this kid with 1,000 sandbucks, is baller.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we all know that he's baller.
High pixel rank.
Baller.
I don't know how I feel
if I get
about
500
this.
subs, will I get YouTube rank?
Baller.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Bikes.
Dude, Bikes is our blue birthday boy. Look at him.
Quick question.
Where's the blue birthday boy?
Dr. Zombie has the YouTuber role. I never noticed that.
May I have
I'm blue
metal
because
rank?
There was like a color war or something.
Dude, can you please give me a metal rank?
21.
Metal roll.
21.
Yo, give me the rank where it says no. I've never been on any account ever before.
I need metal roll.
I need a tailor.
I need
Otherwise, I am useless. Give me middle roll.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
I
still need to
console,
take a
do I?
longer break from this.
I was about to
God
ask,
damn it.
is work really that bad, or are you just taking a break, or both?
Hello, gentlemen.
No, work. Well, I've been
Guys,
working
just
more than
reminding all
normal.
of you of OK Man.
And also, I was hanging out with
Do you know what's
a
for
friend.
lunch today? Lunchy munchies?
Okay.
Get ready, yeah,
Holy
what
shit,
kind of name
12
is
frames a
this?
second. What is going on?
My father's name is
What the hell? I just noticed that
Hear my
too.
voice coming through this kid's speakers.
and a Christian named Philip. Philip.
Shut up.
Philip. My infant tongue is named the birth name.
There we
Birth-
fucking go.
Nothing longer.
Yo, one day.
Muda, turn your mic off.
Do I call
Stop
myself
talking,
Tim?
Muda. Muda wire. Muda wire. Muda wire.
Right hand.
Put some headphones on.
Put some headphones on,
Right
please.
Put some headphones on. Put
Put
a pair of underwear on. Yo guys,
Actually, my name is
pizza.
Seven
If
frames
you
per
want
second.
pizza, that'll be $1.
Dude, I'm at fucking 14.
Yo, I need $1.
Well, my father's name is Philip, and my Christian name is Philip. My infant tongue makes both names. No. Save me!
I'm gonna take a water break from
I
soup.
put myself
Thank you for the
Problem is I got a
now I will
drink
make
and
your
when it's at night, I've just been drinking. And everything is the same. I will see you all soon.
Okay, I guess. Wait, where do you work?
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Your mama's house.
Please do not fucking leave for eternity, goof. I need you.
Yo, Steel Chain should be a
So good.
That's fucking tragic.
It's so
I've heard of that before. I have no idea.
Stop spamming sounds.
Hello.
You can hear the whole time.
Okay, I see how it is.
Guys.
I see how it is, core one. I see how this stuff around
I think Bart's profile picture kind of looks like an Sanic next bot. Yeah, you know what does it mean? It's an Sanic clone.
Shut the
I'm gonna take this as an insult. I hope you know this.
I guess.
Oh my god, I need some Chipotle! Everybody, I have to go to Chipotle!
My name is Zimbabwe.
Chipotle. Oh my gosh, Chipotle! This is the greatest place in my biggest life! Oh my gosh, you destroyed the Chipotle! What the frick? What the frick, Bart? You destroyed my Chipotle!
Let's go.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Is
Definitely
that
do.
Chipotle?
Damn, that was
I'm
only
enjoying this. Okay. I'm gonna press it. Oh. Ouch! Crap! Head crap! You
Figured out why city boys don't drive lifted trucks very much. Swaps.
Yo, can somebody come kill me? I'm under the bridge, under the water, in that little dark spot. I'm stuck.
Okay, user. I'm gonna have some. Hey, who's shooting at me? Who's shooting at me? Oh, this guy?
My dumbass just clicked on the wrong button. Now.
Ow, my neck!
Respray this shit.
Ow, my back!
Come on, man.
Right at my house. Let's do it, bro.
Come on, man.
That's the
Yo,
house.
pink man. Yo, pink man.
PG right now, and I'm going to kill one person.
Yo, dude, can you kill me?
Come here, Specs. I'm going to. I am destroying the place for my confusion.
Nah, kill me, don't blow my shit
I have
up.
to go.
Kruzzy, come here! You killed me!
Dr. Zombie knows my real fucking name.
Yeah. And what's your name?
Let me guess. Oh, because I commented on his post.
Oh.
Everybody, can you remove the NPCs? Don't have a cow, man.
There's barely shit going on in Chudland. This is bullshit.
Don't have a cow, Steel.
What?
Don't have a cow,
man.
Oh.
Don't have a cow? No shit.
Oh, we have a dead person. Hey, come here, you dead. Come here, you dead skeleton. Oh shit.
What the fuck are you saying?
I'll get you for this, bro.
I can't understand you properly.
What the hell? Why are you guys trying to crucify Skibbity Toilet?
Can we get this kid out of here?
Steel, look at this. Look, ouch, you son of a crap, Photo 2000.
I figured out what City Boy's on. I figured out.
Oh god.
This is the Nightmare crossing the border, bringing a check in the first
We hope we never sing a song again after how bad that was.
Oh my gosh! Guys, come, guys.
Oh my
come
god,
here
you're doing
to me.
the Charlie Card.
Here to me. They're.
Yeah, sure.
They're
what is your opinion
crucifying
on
Skibbity
it, Steel?
Toilet.
Can you see
Skibbity
my text?
Kleiner. They crucified Skibbity Kleiner.
I'm very poor with debate, so I would rather not.
Ow.
No, I want to debate you, but it just says George Floyd's officer is innocent.
Get away!
Hey, Steel.
Freedom of speech!
Steel, come here. Steel, come here. Come here, Steel. Steel.
What Dr. Zombie
Steel.
did makes me feel like making
Steel.
upload videos.
Steel, meet me at Lake Tower.
Steel,
What?
follow me.
Meet me at Lake Tower.
Okay.
Hey, Steel, wait.
I love you,
Hey,
make
Steel.
videos.
I stand with Israel. You
Alright, what's
can't
good?
stop this
I'm going to add.
Look, play. Got him.
But what is the point of doing this?
But
I'm more disappointed in
Yes, I can.
Look,
That
dude,
real small thing in the Middle East.
quite frankly, I'm more disappointed in myself
Actually,
for
it's not
saying
my
some inappropriate
politics, it's
shit
the
to him and getting
government's,
muted again
Get that right.
for eternity.
Okay.
And also, yeah, whereas I can see Israel on the map, but not Palestine, so
I
But what Yankee said.
Head crab. Steel, can you kill head crab? He's trying to kill me with that
Definitely including gang
freaking
violence.
crowbar. Can you please kill him? I've seen him before.
But I stand with these instead, except that.
Can you kill head crab?
Have you seen him
He's trying to kill me because I've